this is Dr. Dam, your movement doctor from Balance Flow, and today I'm going to be talking about foot pain, specifically bunions. And the reason why it's really important is because I know so many people who suffer, right, with bunions. So watch this. I'm wearing this really snazzy shoe that's pretty wide, and honestly, that's exactly what you should be wearing versus the really narrow, pointy shoes, right? So what happens when you have the bunions? Well, the part of your foot right over here, this bone literally starts to come in, right, like this, and a bunion begins to form. And unfortunately, there's also a cyst that's going to form right here. It's going to cause immense pain that's not constant, but can be. So how in the world do you undo it? I'm going to ask Dr. Lee, who has a beautiful pedicure, to show us what you can do to start fixing this problem.
One thing we do here, we've actually helped many people avoid these surgeries for bunions, and especially if they're not that bad yet, you can definitely successfully avoid the bunions and even reverse the bunion, okay? When it gets too long, or it's been there too long, is when that tissue really builds up, and then your chances of correcting it lessen, okay? But we take these bands here, and I don't really have great pedicure. But you want to spread your feet, right? Just learning how to spread your toes would be a great thing too. But you take this band and place it around both big toes, all right? Separate them out so you start to pull those big toes apart. And then what you want to do is learn to move those toes back and forth while you're pulling them apart. So this is one great exercise we use here to correct these bunions. So give that a shot. Share this with your friends with bunion feet, all right? Stop wearing those pointy shoes. And then stay body-wise.